In this video, I will guide you how to type 001 in Excel and keep the zeros with no formulas. In the first method, select the cell and then right click. Go to the format cells and select the text. Click OK. And now type 001. And now you can see that you can easily type 001. In the second method, put the quotation mark and type 001 and hit enter. And this is what you can easily type 001. In the third method, right click and go to the format cells and go to the customs and remove the general and put the 30 here and click OK. And now type anything, like I type 1, it is automatically type 001. And if you want to keep 4050, then what you have to do is again right click, go to the format cells and again go to the customs and type 40 if you want to keep 40, and if you want to keep 50, another put the 0, click OK. And this is what you can see that if you want to type 6, you will see that there are 5 zeros. So I hope you have learned something new from this video, and if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.